Hello again, thanks for watching our videos. Today's video is about the restoration of a 65 Mustang 6-cylinder. I didn't have any video of the restoration except for a small one right at the beginning of the video. Rita happened to be outside that day when the fellow brought it, and as he was unloading it, she did make a video. But that's it. The rest of it is just a slideshow. I had several hundred pictures, so that's what you're seeing today is a slideshow, and I hope you'll enjoy it. Here's the day we got the car. The fellow brought it to me on a trailer. You see the different views of it. Not a bad looking old 65. Those aluminum wheels are Anson brand. Kind of rare to find a 4-lug aluminum wheel, and there was one missing there on the front passenger side, but the fellow had the wheel and the tire. It was with the car too, so I ended up with 4 of the aluminum wheels. Here's a video of when we got the car. Rita happened to be outside that day, and this is showing the fella bringing it to me on the trailer and unloading it. Here's the floor of the car. Not a whole lot of rust, especially for a Mustang. See, the front floor did have some rust in it. There's the original trunk label that's still on the trunk. Not in too good a shape, but it's still there. Underneath the rear quarter, see, it's rusted out, but really not too bad. Seen a lot worse. Chrome pitting on the door handle and the antenna. Just some old wore out chrome. But we'll put new chrome on anyway, so all of this gets trashed. I'm sure that's the original quarter emblem. Rust in the bottom of the car, which is normal. It's where all of the debris ends up and the moisture starts to work. Here's the engine in the car. It still ran. In fact, the fellow drove it off the trailer. So there's nothing really wrong with the engine, just needed cleaning up, repainting. Here we started some floor repair. The rear floor pans look great. Starting to put in new parts here. Here's a rear frame rail. Cut the quarter out to make it easier to get to everything. There's a new quarter put on. This is the passenger side. We put half quarter, just the lower section. There's the original factory markings on the core support. This is during the paint stripping. Here's the dash after we stripped the paint and put a fresh coat of paint on it. Here's the body where we started to primer some places. The door repair. Well, that's all for part 1. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for part 2 when we finish restoring this 65 6-cylinder coupe. Hey, if you liked this video, let us know by hitting that like button. And please consider subscribing to our channel. We would really appreciate it.